Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Mercedes E350. Stock number is 18F525A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as the HID headlights. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout here. No rips or stains on the leather. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. You do have a rear backup camera here as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mercedes on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.